Hello, my dear students. How are you? Good morning to all of you. I hope that all of you are very fine, very happy. Be happy, be positive, stay safe at your home, and let us join me to read this chapter, The Right Trap. First of all, I would like to tell you the meaning of right trap. Right trap means rat trap means that very thing which traps the rat. जो चूहे को फंसाती है उसे चूहेदानी कहते हैं. rat trap means क्या? चूहेदानी. That traps the rat. That which traps the rat. चूहेदानी. This story has been written by Salma Lagerlöf. Salma Lagerlöf is a very good writer, story writer and essayist. In this story, he has said about the word, and the story has been written in very philosophic way. In very philosophic way, just like a philosopher writes, a philosopher says, it looks like a fairy tale. Fairy tale means काल्पनिक कथाएं. तो this story says that the theme of the story is that this world is just like a rat trap, and we are like rats, and all these things like buildings, riches means money, wealth, all these physical things, भौतिक चीज़ें like car, motor, building, palace, all the physical things are just like baits. Bait means क्या होता है? चारा. चूहे को फंसाने के लिए चारे के यूज करते हैं. We use baits in order to trap the rats. See, baits. Baits means the tempting things. The tempting things, ललचाने और लुभाने वाली चीज़ें. So all these physical things, worldly things are just like baits, and like rats, we go in contact with all these things. That is why this word is like rat trap. And in order to trap the rats, a person puts the baits like cheese, pork, and other things, meat, bread, etc., in the rat trap. And when a rat looks at this, it tries to go into the rat trap, and just as it goes near the baits like cheese, pork, meat, bread, etc., then the door of the rat trap shut down, and it is trapped in the rat trap. Just like rat, we all people are like rats, and always we try to capture this thing, that thing, we try to use this thing, that thing, and all these things are like cheese, pork, P-O-R-K. Pork means the meat of swine, sugar, pig, cheese, paneer आप जानते ही हैं. तो all these things are just like baits. In this story there is a vagabond. Vagabond means a roaming person, a roaming hither and thither, इधर उधर घूमने वाला, घुमक्कड़ जिसको कहते हैं. Vagabond means a peddler. This peddler is really very poor person, and it makes the rat trap with the help of the wire, and he manages the wire by either begging or by stealing. Means he is a small thief also. In order to make these traps, he steals the wire and other things which are used in making the rat trap. And in this way, in order to manage all these things, he goes door to door to beg the wire and other things. And sometimes he is very hungry. In order to beg the food, he goes from this door to that door, but nobody respects him, and everybody chase him away from his door. That is why this man is really very, very unhappy, very, very sad, and he does not like these people who do not respect him, who do not welcome him when he goes to their door. That is why, and I want to tell you that he is a good thinker also, like a philosopher. So all the time when he walks from here to there, he thinks this thing or that thing. An idea came in his mind that this world is just like a rat trap, and we all the people are like rats. When he thinks that we all the people are like rats, then he is satisfied, and he laughs himself, and he feels delight, he feels happiness that not only he is a rat, but all the people are like rats. And in this way, he wanders from here to there all the day, and it is evening time. Now he gets into a woods. Woods means jungle. He gets into a woods, and it is very thick and very tremendous woods, you can say, very fearful and fearing woods. And now he goes on the track. Track means way, rasta, and he thinks that after some time he will go across the forest, but he looks that the forest is really very vast, very huge and very thick, and he finds himself making or going or walking round and round at the same place, and he does not find the next edge of the forest. Then, and at that time he is very hungry, he is very tired, and that is why he wants to go away from the forest, but he is failure. He thinks everything in vain. That is why